Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Sapna Raghuvanshi, and tell me guys, how are you and how is your practice going on? I hope guys that you all are doing great in your life, and also you are practicing your English speaking without doing any procrastination, my dear friends. Also I know that you must have guessed that today I'm here with beautiful motivational English story. So guys, without any further delay, let's start today's motivational story. And yes, guys, you know very well that we all are here to speak English confidently. So let's speak with the help of motivational English story, my dear friends. And today my story is based on very beautiful and good topic, and I can say that you will enjoy a lot this story, and also you will learn a good lesson from my today's story. So let's start. Actually guys, once upon a time there's a king was sitting on his throne, and then a wise monk came in front of king, and after seeing the wise monk, the king at once got off his throne and greeted the monk very politely and happily, and also he said to the monk to take a seat in front of him. So the monk sat there, and the monk realized a very worried expression on king's face. So he, after observing king's worried expression, the monk asked to king what's happened, king, means why are you looking worried? So that time the king said, yes, wise one, actually you are right. Actually I'm thinking something, and there's a question has been arising in my mind for few days. And so that time the monk said, dear king, actually which type of question is has arising in your mind? Just ask me, I will give answer to your question. So that time the king said, wise one, actually I was thinking what is the best part of human body? So after listening king's question, the monk smiled and showed his tongue to the king and said, tongue is the best part of human body. So again the king asked, okay, now tell me, wise one, what is the worst part of human body? So that time again the monk showed his tongue to king and said, uh, tongue is the worst part of human body. So after hearing this answer, means king got astonished, and king said, what are you saying? Are you kidding with me? How can tongue be both best and worst part of human body? How is this possible, wise one? So that time uh, the monk explained, dear king, just look, we all speak with the help of our tongue, and it is our tongue that can make others happy, and it is our tongue that can make someone hurt. So we, as we all speak with the help of our tongue, so we all speak bad thing and also good thing with our tongue. And whenever we speak good and polite words, so of course we will get others happy, and when we use bad words and bitter words, so in the case we will make others sad and hurt also. So that time guys, the king realized, yes, means the monk was absolutely right, because just think guys, if we relate this story to our real life, so in our real life we also realized that sometime our tongue just proved as a best part of our body, and sometimes it is proved as worst part. Just how suppose sometime in our bad mood and in our sad mood, we use something bad or bitter words for someone. So when we use this type of words, so it definitely we will get hurt others with our bitter words. So that time means our tongue is worst part. And when we use a polite word, nice word with our mouth, so definitely we will make others happy. And also like with happy with our tongue. So in that case our tongue is the best part. So my dear friend, and there's an old saying also, like a slip of foot can be recovered soon, but a slip of tongue can't be ever recover. So my dear friend, always try to use your tongue, always try to speak something with your tongue politely and nicely, so that you can also prove your tongue as the best body part. So in this way, and you also know very well that sometime if we use bad words or bitter words for someone, so we only not get them hurt, also we get ourselves hurt. And when we use a polite word, nice word for someone, so in that time we also make others feel happy and also ourselves. So this is the benefit of our tongue, and this is all up to us, like how to use our tongue. So my dear friend, I want to say you that whenever you try to use your tongue, so always try to use it as your best body part, not worst. So whenever you are in bad mood and not good mood, so that time try to speak thoughtfully, because the word that you speak from your mouth, it will never you can never replace this word. When you means you have lots of opportunity to change your mood, means whenever you want, after some time you can change your bad mood, but you can never replace the bad words that you spoke in your bad mood. So my dear friend, always try to use your tongue as best body part, and me too always try to do this. So with this beautiful hope and thought, my dear friend, let's say bye, and keep continuing your English speaking practice just like me. Bye bye, dear friend. Take care.